Hey everyone, today I'll show you the best custom HUD settings in Free Fire on Android to boost your movement, aim and headshots. Let's jump in. Open Free Fire on your Android phone. Tap the gear icon in the top corner. Now go to the in-match section, then tap Controls. Next, tap on Custom HUD. Now you'll see all your on-screen buttons. Tap on the button you want to resize, like the fire button. A slider will appear on the screen. Drag the slider to increase or decrease the button size. If you play with 2 fingers, try this setup. Fire button size should be 55 to 65%. Place the fire button slightly lower for easy drag shots. Keep jumping. Keep jump and crouch near your right thumb. Glue wall button close to the movement area. If you are a 3-finger player, then try this setup. Move fire button to top left corner. Use the left index finger to shoot. Right thumb for aim control. Keep crouching and jumping near the right side. This gives faster headshots and better controls during close fights. And that's the best custom HUD for Free Fire on Android. Try it out and tweak it for your style. If it helped, like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.